In this video, in part 1 of designing calculator mobile app, we are going to do some research and designing a main layout of our app. In the next video, in part 2, we are going to change our low fidelity wireframe into high fidelity design. Stay with me. Hi guys, my name is Amir Asadi and I'm a product designer. In this channel we talk about user experience of digital products such as mobile apps and websites. So if you are a fan of this kind of videos, hit the subscribe button and be around. In daily UI challenge number 4, Daily UI wants us to design a calculator. In this challenge, I want to design a calculator for mobile app. It's time for us to go and do some research. Okay guys, I kinda like this design for calculator. I copy it and paste it into my project. I press A to select a frame. As you know, in this part of our design, we just want to design a grids and auto layouts. We do want to go to the colors and other stuffs in high fidelity. I just want to design it low fidelity in this part. In the next chapter, in the next video, we design it high fidelity. Select our frame, Ctrl R to rename it. We need a grid for this part. I select it and go to layout grid. I press A and draw a frame. Again, I press A to draw another rectangle. It's for my buttons frame, and this is for our show, show numbers and calculations. Now we have 2 frames here. What we need is buttons for this part, and we should design them. I press O and also press Shift to make a perfect circle. I select buttons frame, press Shift A to add auto layout, a space horizontally 16, and a space between can be 24. Vertically space 16 too. I fix the width of this frame and also fix the height. Press O and also press Shift. Ctrl D to duplicate it. And select 4 of them and press Shift A. Make buttons auto layout to vertical layout. Now I rename this to button row and press Ctrl D to duplicate it. Okay guys, our job is done for this video. In the next video, we are gonna design it to high fidelity mode and we give it colors and another visual effects. Thanks for being here until now. Goodbye and have fun.